make working out an easy 3-step process?
Easy 3-step process.
What's that like?
So I've got the 3 to be free, which we've got tight hips and shoulders and chest and back, so that'll give some more mobility. And then I have the big 3 modified from Dr. Stuart McGill.
You want to go over there with him?
Oh, well, all right.
So, you want to try this with me?
Why not? Let's see.
Do you have stretchy pants on?
Well,
okay.
we're going to see. We're going to find out.
Biphasic hip flexor stretch. So hip flexors get really tight. I can touch you. It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to come forward, little pause. Think about squeezing this left glute with your mind or with your hand. It's fine. Then forward and find that end point. And then one more. We're going to go here and we're going to hold, squeeze that glute. That releases the hip flexors. We open it up, a little psoas stretch. Come on, hands up.
Good.
Hands up.
We got, there we go.
Hold that, 15 to 30 seconds there.
I'm doing a modified version, but it feels good.
And then you want to switch sides. So this is television. You can stand up. It's your show. It's fine. So then you want to do that so that releases the hip, and we're going to get the glutes going and the lateral stabilizer. So we can just do a side plank here. You can do that for 10 seconds. Or we're going to get fancy. We're coming down. We're doing an advanced clam. Boom.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah, Janae, love that.
She's doing it with her arms.
You guys, you're working out by osmosis. After we do that on both sides, we do a little bear crawl. You want to hit your chest? Boom.
Okay.
I just had my chest waxed, so it's fine. All right, so here we go. A bear crawl. This is great for stabilization through your abs and helps with lower back pain. A lot of people
I love the bear crawl. I do this.
Exactly. Well, we're going to do it forward, and we can go lateral, too. So we're nice and choppy.
Wow.
So like there's a glass of rosé on your back
Yeah.
there. Forward and back. You want to go lateral. We go side to side. Just do this for 5 to 10 reps. 3 to be free, big 3.
3 to be free.
Minimum to get to the maximum. Weekday diet, you're good to go.
And that looks funny, but it works.
I was going to say, I've seen Meg the Stallion do something like that.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Joey Thurman. Subscribe to this channel and make sure you get my book, The Minimum Method, the least you can do to be a stronger, healthier, happier you.